Continuing my series on LG and Dyson stick vacuums, I'll be comparing the LG CordZero A9 and the Dyson V15 Detect. The CordZero is LG's foray into the cordless vacuum space, aimed at challenging Dyson by offering unique features not found with this brand. I've tested both extensively in different aspects like cleaning performance, runtime, ergonomics, and filtration to help consumers learn how these products differ to help you make an informed choice. So let's dive right in. As I've said in the intro, the LG CordZero A9 is LG's foray into the cordless stick vacuum space aimed at challenging Dyson. The A9 model is their first, and subsequent models were released with the upgraded nozzle. These combine a soft roller and bristle brush, something not found in a Dyson. However, LG's concept isn't unique because Shark was a pioneer with this design. I have not tested this new nozzle, so I cannot comment on its performance, and that's a topic for another video. One similarity between the LG CordZero A9 and Dyson V15 is the interchangeability of tools. Consumers can use both as a handheld or stick vacuum, depending on the configuration. The CordZero comes with a stand that doubles as a charging dock with a slot for the extra battery, enabling users to charge two batteries simultaneously. Dyson doesn't have this feature. It only has a generic-looking wall-mountable dock for this purpose, so kudos to LG for adding this feature. The CordZero A9 and V15 Detect have similar tools, including a crevice, brush, and upholstery tool that's excellent at cleaning hair. Another similarity is that both products have surface-specific nozzles for cleaning hard floors and carpets. The CordZero A9 is a chunky soft roller for vacuuming hard floors and a standard brush for carpets. Likewise for the V12 Detect, a soft roller for hard floors and a standard brush for carpets. But their similarity ends there. The LG CordZero soft roller nozzle is chunky without any illumination for tracking dust. The V15 Detect soft roller has a slimmer profile with a bright green laser where dust pops when it lights up, hence the term laser slim roller. I like this design better since it's lighter, enabling it to fit under low clearance areas. And the bright green laser helps track dust better than any LED-equipped stick vacuum I've tested. The V15 Detect standard roller differs from the LG CordZero in that it has these combs above the brush that help untangle long hair strands. And these gates help it clean large debris piles with minimal snow plowing. The CordZero A9 standard brush, despite not having any combs, was excellent at cleaning long hair. The next difference is the interface. The V15 Detect has an LCD screen that shows the piezo sensor readout or how much debris it picks up through these bar graphs. It also shows the runtime status in real time and error codes. LG's interface is simpler, with these buttons and no screen. It has these LED indicators for the battery status. But this may not matter since the charging stand has a slot for the extra battery. So when the first battery goes empty, you can get a spare one and still use the vacuum. The V15 Detect utilizes a trigger that you'll need to squeeze to engage the motor, while the CordZero A9 has a button, so there's nothing to squeeze. LG's handheld frame is lighter, or around a pound lighter than the bigger V15 Detect frame. 1 pound may not sound a lot, but for these products, that's about a 25% difference, and every ounce counts, especially when vacuuming above floors. I use an anemometer to check airflow through the nozzle and wand. It's one metric I use to predict a vacuum's potential cleaning performance. The V15 Detect has more airflow in all the settings, nearly doubling the LG's output at the highest power setting with the nozzle. However, the results were much closer in the lowest power setting. Another advantage of Dyson is its auto setting, which balances runtime and cleaning performance. I use this setting extensively when vacuuming carpets. Despite the lower airflow, the LG CordZero held its own in the cleaning experiments, especially when cleaning surface dirt, which was extremely close. I'm talking about less than a percentage difference. However, the lack of airflow is evident in the deep cleaning experiments, where it only picked up 94.75%, compared to the V15's average of 100%. Take note that LG achieved this score using the max setting, which I don't recommend using extensively because it will overheat and shorten the battery's service life. The V15 Detect picked up 100% even in the auto setting, so advantage to Dyson in this category. Both were excellent in the edge cleaning experiment, needing only a few passes to pick up everything. This highlights the efficiency of the soft roller nozzle at picking up dirt in this area. The V15 Detect was better at cleaning hair on hard floors, getting a higher percentage even with longer strands, despite having a slimmer roller. Both were excellent at picking up hair on carpet, getting 100% or close to it in all the experiments, even 11-inch hair. Please note that I didn't test the CordZero A9 with 12-inch strands, but it was excellent with 11-inch hair, picking up nearly 100%. Both were excellent at cleaning hair on upholstery, even with long hair strands. The V15 Detect uses a tool with a tapered brush that's excellent at funneling dirt toward this holding area and into the dustbin, with nothing wrapping on the roller. LG uses a different tool, a flat rib contraption that vibrates and uses suction to pull hair into the dustbin. While it took longer, it eventually picked up everything with almost zero visible hair left on the tool. Next, we'll check how long these vacuums will run from a full charge to empty. The Dyson V15 Detect wins this category if you look at it on a per battery basis, lasting over 80 minutes on hard floors in the lowest setting and over 56 minutes on carpet. The LG CordZero A9 lasted up to 43 minutes in the lowest setting, but had a better runtime in the max setting, lasting 15 minutes. However, LG's second battery mitigates Dyson's runtime advantage since it doubles the runtime to 86 minutes. I used the fog machine to check how well these cordless vacuums keep dust inside the dustbin. It's a visual test to see if these vacuums have a good enough seal that fog doesn't seep through the exhaust or filter. The Dyson V15 Detect passed with no visible leaks, while the LG CordZero A9 didn't, since there were visible leaks around the seals and filter. Lastly, for the test results, we'll compare the noise levels, where I used a sound meter to check loudness, and here are the results. The Dyson V15 Detect was noisier, at least in the highest power setting, reaching 80 decibels, while the LG CordZero A9 was a bit louder in the lowest setting at 72 decibels. There's little variance between the LG CordZero A9 and the Dyson V15 Detect in most of the experiments. LG was surprisingly good in the cleaning tests, nearly matching the V15 Detect at vacuuming surface dirt. Even in the hair cleaning experiments, it was excellent at cleaning hair, especially on carpet. The Dyson V15 Detect, with its higher airflow, was predictably better in the deep cleaning experiments. Its larger battery will last longer, but LG's two batteries negate Dyson's runtime advantage. The clincher for me is the price. Since LG is cheaper and offers comparable cleaning performance, I'd recommend this over the Dyson V15 Detect unless you need to clean carpets extensively. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If this video has been helpful to you, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I publish new videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.